this video, we're going to go over a nested if statement, which sounds kind of scary, but they're not that bad to learn. A nested if statement is an if statement that is put inside another if statement. I'm going to make this a little bit more complicated than it needs to be. First, we'll start out with our two variables. Let's go x equals 5, and we'll set y equal to 10. Okay, put a little space there so it's easy to see what's going on. And we'll start with if x equals 5, and then inside this if statement, this is going to be our nested part, we are going to have another if statement. So y is greater than 10. In here, if we get to this statement in our program, well, first we'll start and we'll say, alright, if x equals 5, okay, that's true, so we'll keep going. If y is greater than 10, then we're going to print out, I have that, x equals 5, and y is greater than 10. It won't print this out unless it's true, because we know for sure x is 5 here, because it tells us right here it can't get to here unless x is 5. We'll have another statement here, else if y is less than 10, we will print out sorry. It's word if there. I thought I typed that. I was confused. Anyways, x equal 5, and y is less than 10. And else we are going to print out x equal 5 and y equal 10. Alright, whoops, that is not what I meant to do. Anyways, this code's gonna look a little weird. It's not gonna have stuff highlighted, but it's the same code. That is not what I meant to do at all. Alright, notice it prints out x equal 5 and y equal 10. That's because what happened was it went here and said, alright, into x is 5, y is 10. So it went to this if statement and said if x equals 5, we're going to come in here and play. It's inside this if statement. So anything between here has to do with this if x equals 5 thing. If x is not equal to 5, it will not play with any of this. Thanks. We can have an else statement down here, and we tell it what to do if x is not equal to 5, x is not 5. So if I change my value of x to 7, I run this, it'll just print x is not 5. And you see it there. That's because it skips all these lines of code right here. All it says is, alright, if x equals 5, well it doesn't, so we are going to go to the else statement. Play around with this for a while, and make sure you get a good understanding of how these nested if statements work. You won't be using nested if statements a whole lot, I don't think, but you'll probably be using like nested for loops, and it's a lot easier to wrap your hand around a nested if statement before a nested for loop, and I think that's an easier way to learn. Probably get people with different opinions. Alright, well, I hope this video helped you get a better understanding of a nested if statement. If you request more by putting some comments, I'll be sure and do them. Like and subscribe. Thank you.